Sometimes doing sales is as simple as being available for people to talk about whatever it is they want to talk about. Obviously, you're not the local therapist or the local guru, so you can narrow it down to things relating to real estate or whatever other interest you have. But very often people want to exchange ideas. That's why there's small networking groups on specific topics that you could be a part of. But sometimes simply saying, I'm going to be at Coffee Bean in the morning, and if you guys want to talk about what's going on in real estate, let me know. People will come, they'll have questions, they'll have ideas they want to share. You're not always there to solicit them for their next sale, but you are there to be available to discuss what's on their mind as it pertains to this topic that you have a shared interest in. When I start building businesses online, people always ask me, how do I do this? How do I do that? I can't solve other problems, but I'm happy to share my experience. And that's the other point I want to make. You don't always have to be an expert. Sometimes it's better if you don't sound like an expert, especially with information changing so fast these days. Sometimes it's better just to say, this is what I know, this works for me, see if it works for you. And maybe vice versa. Why don't you share with me what's going on with you? These days, people appreciate authenticity and clarity. So having an authentic idea exchange about a shared topic goes a long way to create that sphere of influence that you always hear about. And if you can do it pertaining to real estate, that's great. People get so caught up with being known as the expert in a field. Well, sometimes if you're always professing that you're an expert, sometimes you lose credibility. It becomes inauthentic. Not saying you're not an expert, but sometimes you got to toe the line between sounding like an expert, but also sounding like an aggregator of information. Somebody who wants to share information, exchange information, and generally just make a connection with people of a shared interest. And if that interest is real estate, all the better.